Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Spark, the place where we make learning English simple and enjoyable.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It is fantastic to be back with all of you today. Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah. It's great to have you here, Paul. How are you?
I'm doing wonderfully, thanks.
Yeah.
I had a really relaxing weekend and just recharged the batteries. How about you, Emily?
I'm doing well. Actually, I'm incredibly excited about the topic we're tackling today.
Oh, I can tell it's a big one, isn't it?
You bet. This is a topic that we get asked about constantly.
Yeah.
It's a very big feeling, a major frustration for learners. A big feeling.
A big feeling.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
Yeah.
What are we diving into? Today, we are addressing the most common problem in language learning. I can understand English perfectly, but I can't speak it. Ah, yes.
That is the number one challenge. I hear that from students all the time.
Yes.
It's that stuck feeling, and it's incredibly frustrating for them.
Exactly.
Right. Yeah.
Students say, I can follow a Netflix show, I can listen to this podcast, but when I need to form a sentence, my mind goes blank.
Yes, the words just vanish. It feels like you're frozen.
Yes.
Yes, the words just vanish. It feels like you're frozen.
Yeah. It's like your voice is trapped behind a wall.
Yeah.
But today we are going to share some effective and practical strategies to help everyone find their voice.
That sounds like exactly what our listeners need.
Yeah.
This is a vital episode. But before we jump in, don't we have something to ask our listeners?
We do. Before we jump into the tips, we have a quick, friendly request for our amazing listeners.
That's right. If you enjoy our show and you're finding it helpful on your English journey, please take just a moment to hit that like or thumbs up button on this episode. It truly helps our podcast grow.
And be sure to click subscribe to English Spark. That way you'll always be notified when we release new lessons. Your support means the world to us.
Okay, I'm ready, Emily. My voice is locked.
All right. The very first key, Paul,
Yeah.
is that you must change how you listen.
Change how I listen.
Yes.
But Emily, that's the part I'm good at.
Yeah.
I already understand everything.
Isn't that enough? Understanding is fantastic. It's the foundation.
Yeah.
But most learners are stuck in passive listening.
Yeah.
We need to move you to active listening.
Passive versus active.
Okay, what's the difference?
That sounds important.
That sounds important. Passive listening is when the English is just on. Maybe
Right.
you're at the gym or driving or cleaning the house. You hear it and you understand it, but you aren't deeply focused on it.
Right.
I definitely do that. I listen while I'm cooking.
Yes.
I definitely do that. I listen while I'm cooking.
Yes.
Co-cooking.
I definitely put on codes. Yeah.
Active listening is different.
Yeah.
Active listening is when you listen with the intention of responding or repeating.
Right.
You are fully engaged.
Right.
Oh.
So I hear a phrase and then I physically say the phrase out loud.
Precisely.
In fact, there's a powerful technique for this that we should talk about.
A specific technique. What is it?
It's for a film.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic method called shadowing. Like the shadow that follows me on the ground.
Yeah.
Exactly. You become the speaker's shadow.
Yeah.
You listen to a podcast or a short audio clip and you try to repeat the saying just after they say it.
And we do also at the same time.
Wow.
And that sounds incredibly challenging.
Wow. At the same time, that sounds incredibly challenging. It can be. So you can start easier. Listen to one full sentence, hit the pause button, and then repeat the sentence clearly.
Get it? So I'm not just receiving the language, I am producing the language.
Yes.
I'm practicing the actual sounds and the music of English.
Yeah. You said that perfectly, Paul.
Yeah.
The music of the language.
Yeah.
Shadowing trains your mouth and your ears to finally work in sync. It builds the physical muscle memory for speaking.
That's a brilliant first tip.
Yeah.
Active listening and shadowing. I love it. What's the second key?
The second tip involves creating a special zone for yourself. And it might sound a little strange at first.
Yeah.
A special zone? What do you mean?
Yeah, both. Our next tip is to create your English mode.
My English mode? What is that? Like a secret identity?
Sort of. It's a specific time you set aside each day where you commit to only thinking and speaking in English, even if you're by yourself.
Only think in English.
That's tough.
My brain automatically defaults to my native language.
Of course it does. The best way to practice this is to start talking to yourself. Talking to myself.
Okay. People might think I'm
A bit odd.
You can do it when you're alone. And what you say is very simple.
So what do I say to myself?
You simply narrate your life,
Yeah.
describe what you are doing as you are doing it.
Yeah.
You mean just say my actions out?
Exactly. For example, when you're preparing breakfast, you say, all right, I am making toast now. I need to get a plate. Where did I put the butter? Ah, it's in the refrigerator. Oh, I can do that.
I am sitting in a podcast booth
What?
and I am looking at my notes. I feel happy.
See, you're already doing it. It's perfect.
Mhm.
It feels silly, but there's a reason it's so powerful.
Why is it so effective?
It does feel a little strange because it forces your brain to find the vocabulary. It's
Yeah.
not passive understanding anymore. You are actively producing the language to describe your world. Your
Yeah.
brain has to search for the words.
My brain has to do the work. I need the word refrigerator. It's practice for when I really need that word in a conversation.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Try it for just 5 minutes a day.
Okay.
That's your English mode.
But what happens when my brain can't find the word? That's when I freeze.
That is the perfect transition to tip number 3.
Uh-huh.
To speak fluently, you must stop memorizing single words.
Stop learning vocabulary.
I need more words, not less.
No, I mean, stop memorizing long random lists of words like kitchen, apple, happy.
Right.
This method is not effective for speaking.
But if we don't memorize lists,
Yeah.
what should we learn instead?
This is a big change for many learners.
Instead, you must learn chunks.
Chunks.
Instead, you must learn chunks. Chunks? You mean like a chunk of chocolate?
I do love chocolate, but
No. In language, chunks are groups of words that naturally go together.
Yeah.
They are set phrases or sentence starters. Okay.
give me an example of a chunk.
Instead of just learning the word point,
Yeah.
learn the entire chunk.
That's a really good point.
Oh, that's a good point.
I can use that immediately in a conversation.
So, or instead of learning the word mean, learn the chunk. Do you know what I mean?
I see. These are like pre-built tools. They are ready to use.
Yeah.
I don't have to stop and build the sentence from scratch.
Exactly. You don't have to worry about the grammar. You just grab the entire chunk.
Yeah.
It makes you sound much more natural and it gives your brain a little pause to think of what to say next.
This is like a secret weapon for fluency.
I love this.
Learn chunks, not individual words.
It really is.
Yeah.
Now, this next tip, however, is probably the most crucial one of all. Billy.
I'm human creech empty portable press dries.
Okay.
What's the most critical tip?
You must speak English every single day.
Every day, every crowded type thing. Oh, Emily, that's a lot. I'm busy. I have my job. I'm tired at the end of the day.
It doesn't have to be for an hour,
Yeah.
just 5 or 10 minutes,
Yeah.
but it must be every day.
Yeah.
Consistency is key.
So 5 minutes daily is better than a 2-hour class on Saturday?
Much better.
Yeah.
Speaking is a muscle. You have to train it daily.
But that brings up the big question. What if you have no one to talk to?
That's the most common excuse.
Yeah.
Who do I talk to?
Yeah.
Maybe you're shy
Yeah.
or you don't live in an English speaking country.
So what's the solution?
You can talk to your smartphone.
My phone, it doesn't talk back.
No, you use the voice recorder app.
No, my
You record yourself speaking.
Oh no, I don't want to do that. I hate the sound of my own voice.
Yeah.
I'll just hear all my mistakes and my bad accent.
First, your accent isn't bad.
Yeah.
Your accent is part of you.
Yeah.
This is an incredibly valuable tool.
Yeah.
It sounds scary, but it's effective.
So how do I use it without feeling terrible?
You just ask yourself a simple question like, what did I do today?
Yeah.
Then you hit record and answer it. Today I woke up early. I had 2 meetings. I ate a salad for lunch. Then you listen back.
And what do I listen for?
My mistakes. You listen for 2 things. First, what you did well.
Yeah.
And second, where you struggled or paused.
Yeah.
You become your own teacher.
Okay, I can see why that's a good idea.
No, right.
It's practice without the fear of judgment.
Yeah, right.
Exactly. But Paul, all these tips, shadowing, talking to yourself, recording, they all force you to practice. And that means you have to face the biggest, scariest monster in the room.
A monster, what's that?
The fear of making mistakes.
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
That is the ultimate monster.
I hear it constantly.
I don't speak because I'm afraid my grammar is terrible
Yeah.
or I'm afraid native speakers will laugh at me.
Everyone feels this, Paul.
Yeah.
Every single learner.
Yeah.
But I want to share a vital secret with everyone listening today.
Yeah.
One that will change your perspective.
Yeah. A secret. Okay, tell us.
Oh, here is the secret. Mistakes are your friends.
My friends know, Emily, mistakes are bad.
Mhm.
They're like red ink on a test.
Not in speaking.
Yeah.
In speaking, a mistake is proof. It is proof that you are trying and proof that you are being brave.
Wow, Piv Grillich.
Wow.
Even if it's not perfect.
So,
Yes.
Remember this phrase: the goal is communication, not perfection.
Yeah.
Did the other person understand your idea? If yes, you succeeded.
That takes so much stress away.
Yeah, I feel motivated.
Let's do a quick recap.
Great idea. 1, practice active listening with shadowing. 2, create your English mode by narrating your day.
Yep.
3, learn chunks, not single words.
4, practice every day, even 5 minutes.
5,
5, record your voice. And 6, make friends with your mistakes.
communication over perfection.
That is a powerful plan. Thank you all for listening to English Spark. Before you go, please subscribe and leave a like if this was helpful.
And leave a comment. Which one of these tips will you try first? We'd love to hear from you.